I'm going to try and do my best here and give you a better look at these lovely Cummins diesels. There are receipts for the heat exchangers that have been done. The gentleman, as I mentioned in a previous video, is a hands-on gentleman, does not mind getting his hands dirty, and will do the oil changes himself on the Cummins here and on the pods. That way he can do them himself at his schedule when he wants to do them. But as you can see, they're clean. He's keeping up on keeping them painted, making them look attractive. Which is what it's all about. And as I mentioned in the listing, and as I mentioned in another video, serial numbers for these Cummins and for the pods are available. That ladder right there, that's access to the pods through the aft seat. But you'll get the idea. They're nice and clean. 1500 hours and ready to go.